Hello everyone, this is Manvi Singh and I am a law student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So the topic is women rights to maintenance under Hindu law. So maintenance law for the women of this nation are divided into two classification where of its focuses on the maintenance due to divorce or some other matrimonial remedies, and the second one discussion maintenance while the period of subsistence of marriage. So the main object of this article is to enlighten the purpose of maintenance, which is prevent to immortal and maintain the dignity of women and children's. The article talks about the necessity of among and maintenance of wife, widow and dependent under Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. Introduction of this topic is undivided families gave the rise to the origin of the right of maintenance. The person who is called as the head is such family is mandatorily bound to maintain the member of said family under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance, which is as to follow. In all cases, provisions for food, clothing, residence, and education, and medical attendance and treatment. In the case of unmarried daughter, also the reasonable expensive of an incident of her marriage. So the third one is minor mean a person who has not completed his or her age of 18 year. Section 225 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provide for the maintenance after a divorce and nullity of marriage, and Section 125 of CRPC and Hindu Adoption of Maintenance for wife, parents and children. So the question is, what is the right of maintenance under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956? According to the Apex Court, it was held that it is a liability created by Hindu law and it's arise out of jurial relations of the parties. Which one is some following ones are coming, like A, maintenance of the wife. Maintenance and separate residence of the wife is dealt with by Section 18 of said Act. A Hindu wife, whether married before or after the commencement of said act, shall be entitled to be maintained by the husband during her lifetime. So the second one comes, a Hindu wife shall be entitled to live separately from her husband without forfeiting her claim to maintenance, and the requestant's condition are stated for the clause A to G. A Hindu wife shall not be entitled to separate residence and maintenance from her husband if she is entrusted and ceases to be a Hindu comments to another religion. So the first one, it comes maintenance provided interimly according to the Supreme Court under Section 18 of the Act. In interim maintenance can be claimed and thus is a substantive right. The obligation of the maintenance of the wife remain on the husband, even though the wife might choose life separately. Both Section 18 and 21 of the said Act don't provide any change for the maintenance on separate property of husband. The another one is comes resident separate from the residence of husband. A judgment passed by the Madras High Court stated that the wife was indeed entitled to a separate residence along with maintenance. The said wife in this case was living alone. She was living with her children. She was solely responsible for raising her kids as a wife, husband, and the kids are the case of distraction. Even though the wife fails to provide the request ground, she cannot be denied justice and cannot be denied relief. Widow daughter-in-law hold the right to maintenance. It is the rightful duty to the father-in-law to provide and maintenance the daughter-in-law in the case of dismiss of his son who was unlawful married to daughter-in-law. So she is entitled to maintenance to the point where she is unable to talk to proper care of herself out of her earning or any other property. So the conclusion of this topic is the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 stand as one of the very essential act in the order to protect the women, children, old and infirm. This act thereby makes sure that they have rescued resource to life sustenance sustain themselves by saving them for suspending their life on the streets without food and shelter. So guys, this was all about the topic. Thank you so much for listening me. Like, comment and share.